Ever pondered how our world transformed from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses? The answer lies in the mid-18th century, with the onset of the Industrial Revolution, a period of radical change that originated in Britain. This transformative era was fueled by key drivers, the most significant of which were technological advancements. The invention of the steam engine, the cotton gin, and mechanized textile production marked a turning point in human history. These innovations served as the springboard from hand production methods to machines, catalyzing a monumental shift in manufacturing. This shift was accompanied by the growth of the factory system, a new way of organizing labor that brought workers and machines together under one roof. This radical change led to a significant increase in production capacity, propelling society away from its agrarian roots toward an industrially dominated world. So, the Industrial Revolution was a genesis of a seismic shift, but what were its far-reaching consequences? The Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machines and factories, it was a catalyst for profound societal change. This era of rapid industrialization brought with it a wave of significant impacts, both positive and negative. On the one hand, it spurred economic growth and improved living standards. Goods became cheaper and more readily available, elevating the quality of life for many. This period also saw a surge in urbanization and the rise of cities. As people flocked to urban centers for work, bustling metropolises sprung up, shaping the landscape of nations. The Industrial Revolution also gave birth to a new social stratum, the middle class. This group, made up largely of businessmen and professionals, became a powerful force in society. Advancements were not confined to land alone. The revolution extended its reach to transportation and communication, shrinking our world in the process. Travel became faster, and people could communicate over vast distances in a fraction of the time. Yet the revolution was not without its drawbacks. As factories multiplied, so did worker exploitation. Long hours, low pay, and hazardous conditions became the norm for many laborers. Cities, despite their allure, were often overcrowded, leading to dismal living conditions. The environment, too, bore the brunt of industrialization, with pollution and deforestation becoming widespread. Lastly, the wealth gap widened. The rich reaped the benefits of industrialization, while the poor were left to grapple with its fallout. As we can see, the ripples of the Industrial Revolution spread far and wide, shaping our world in ways that still resonate today. Now let's delve into the legacy of the Industrial Revolution, a period that forever altered the course of human history. The Industrial Revolution was a catalyst for change, laying the foundation for the industrial economies we know today. From the bustling factories of Manchester to the steel mills of Pittsburgh, the world was transformed into a global workshop. This seismic shift paved the way for subsequent revolutions in technology and information, setting the stage for the innovations we've come to depend on in the 21st century. But the revolution wasn't just about machines and factories. It sparked significant political, social, and cultural changes. The rise of capitalism, with its emphasis on private ownership and profit, was a direct result of industrialization. The labor movement, born out of the harsh conditions faced by factory workers, changed the landscape of workers' rights and continues to influence labor laws today. And let's not forget the concept of progress. The Industrial Revolution introduced the idea that society could and should continually improve and innovate. This belief is deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness, driving us to invent, explore, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Thus, the Industrial Revolution, a period of transformation and turmoil, left an indelible mark on our world, the echoes of which are still audible in the hum of our modern machines.